The Center for Advanced Manufacturing Technologies is an R&D center operating at the Wroclaw University of Science and Technology. Since 2008, it has been operating as a Fraunhofer Project Center, researching product design, additive manufacturing, laser, and hybrid technologies. The center has received many prestigious awards from the European Commission, including the Center of Excellence title within the First Tempus program and Digital Innovation Hub title. CAMT carries out R&D projects for various industries such as automotive, aviation, medicine, and energy. The type of research carried out by the center not only responds to, but shapes and precedes current industrial trends. The center's structure operates several laboratories which are closely related to the additive manufacturing production cycle. Laboratories for polymer and metal AM processing, machining, laser and hybrid technologies, material testing, post-processing, computed tomography, and reverse engineering. We can envision the technological chain of the CAMT laboratory in terms of AM processing. The analysis of AM powder material properties includes measurements of absorption, fraction distribution, determination of powder flowability, and microscopic analysis of the surface, shape, and chemical composition of powders. CAMT's specialty is powder bed technologies. The laboratory researches the AM processing of metal powders using laser powder bed fusion and electron beam powder bed fusion methods. The center boasts successes in the additive processing of about 30 different materials. The Polymer AM laboratory deals with research on new materials, their qualification, selection of process parameters, and implementation of technology, in particular for prototyping and short series production. Several polymer AM techniques are available in the laboratory. The center has the capabilities for a comprehensive analysis of structures, microstructures, and mechanical properties of materials. The laboratory provides the testing of dynamic and static strength properties of materials, ensuring the desired thermal conditions. Another CAMT competence is in hybrid technologies, which combines various technological processes into one, carried out on a hybrid machine by combining the 3D laser printing of metals with CNC machining. Hybrids allow the complete machining of parts at one workstation, including the finishing treatment. High standard numerically controlled machines are available in the center as well. An integral part of the center is the Laser Technology Laboratory. It offers technologies for applying protective coatings, regenerating parts, and additive manufacturing of elements. The development of laser material processing technology often involves several simulation studies on the nature and course of processes. The center performs heat treatment processes in high vacuum, residual pressure, and in an atmosphere of shielding gases at temperatures up to 1600 degrees Celsius for AM materials and more. The Computed Tomography Laboratory specializes in non-destructive quality control. The laboratory provides qualitative and quantitative measurements of geometric features and internal structures, porosity, and also deals with defect detection and comprehensive reverse engineering. As a reliable and credible research partner, CAMT has participated in over 40 national and international research and development projects as a leader or consortium member in recent years. The center closely cooperates with foreign partners from over 20 countries and is continuously expanding its network of contacts in the industry. Besides R&D activities, the center organizes the Additive Manufacturing Meeting, a conference on industrial 3D printing. This event increases awareness about the implementation of 3D printing in the industry. At the same time, its international character boosts fruitful cooperation as well as an exchange of experience with world leaders in the 3D printing industry, both scientific and industrial.